This is too scary for you to watch.
Oh. Ready? My name's Delaney. That's my friend Lily. Hold the camera. Hold the camera.
If you are scared, if you are too scared, this is weird. Okay, let's go in the basement for real.
Boom, boom, boom.
Keep the lights out. Okay, but stay close to me.
This is my grandma.
Don't you throw your grandma.
This is my grandmother. When she hears us scream, she will come down and save us. The pen.
Okay.
I said if she hears us scream.
If you are easily scared, you will want to cover
turn
your
around.
eyes.
Turn away.
Can they see in the dark?
Yeah. There's windows. Boom.